Benjamin Franklin, January 17, 1706 to April 17, 1790, was an American polymath who was active as a writer, scientist, inventor, statesman, diplomat, printer, publisher, and political philosopher. Among the leading intellectuals of his time, Franklin was one of the founding fathers of the United States, a drafter and signer of the United States Declaration of Independence, and the first United States Postmaster General. In this video, you will find the most famous Benjamin Franklin quotes that will inspire you. Let's start.
Love your enemies, for they tell you your faults. There never was a good war or a bad peace. Look before, or you'll find yourself behind. Don't throw stones at your neighbors if your own windows are glass. When you're good to others, you're best to yourself. Hide not your talents, they for use were made. What's a sundial in the shade? Wish not so much to live long as to live well. Life's tragedy is that we get old too soon and wise too late. Without continual growth and progress, such words as improvement, achievement, and success have no meaning. We must, indeed, all hang together, or, most assuredly, we shall all hang separately. Guests, like fish, begin to smell after 3 days. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Well done is better than well said. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn.